What if I told you your grandma was a culinary genius, and the secrets she used every day are still unbeatable? Today, I'm counting down 25 grandma cooking tricks. From the least surprising to the ultimate #1 trick that changes everything. These are the tips that turn ordinary food into warm, nostalgic, unforgettable meals. And by the time we hit #1, you'll wonder how you ever cooked without them. See? Ignoring these tricks has consequences. Meals that come out bland, dry, mushy, or just off. Grandma didn't have air fryers, mixers, or pre-made sauces. She used skill, instinct, and clever hacks that made food comforting and memorable. If we lose those tricks, we lose the flavor, literally and emotionally. But bring them back, and suddenly every dish feels richer, more tender, more alive. Most people don't believe these tricks work. Some sound too simple, others sound too strange. When I first tried a few, nothing came out right. Sauces broke, dough tore, and I genuinely thought, okay, maybe Grandma was just built different. But the truth? I wasn't doing them right. These tricks aren't random hacks. They're techniques perfected through decades of survival cooking. Cooking where food had to stretch, had to taste good, and had to comfort the whole family. Once I understood that, everything changed. I tested every trick exactly how Grandma intended. No shortcuts. And suddenly, dishes were juicier, pastries were flakier, flavors were deeper, even mistakes tasted better. That's when I realized these aren't old techniques. They're timeless. And starting from #25, you're about to learn each one. 25. Heat your pan before adding oil. Prevents sticking and creates better browning. 24. Roll lemons before cutting them. Nearly doubles the amount of juice. 23. Throw onion skins into your stock. Adds color and rich, earthy flavor. 22. Toast rice or pasta before boiling gives a nutty, aromatic taste. 21. Add sour cream to mashed potatoes. Makes them silky, tangy, irresistible. 20. Dry brine poultry the night before. Salt draws in moisture for the juiciest results. 19. Put bread in with your cookies. Keeps them soft for days. 18. Freeze ginger whole. Easier to grate. Lasts for months. 17. Add a splash of cold water to scrambled eggs. Creates extra fluffy eggs every time. 16. Use cold hands when working with dough. Prevents butter from melting, making pastries flakier. 15. Add instant coffee to chocolate recipes. Deepens flavor without tasting like coffee. 14. Add cold butter at the end of sauces, makes them silky and restaurant quality. 13. A pinch of baking soda in tomato sauce. Cuts acidity without adding sugar. 12. Freeze leftover wine in ice trays. Perfect for cooking anytime. 11. Add a little mustard to cheese sauces. Brightens flavor and enhances cheesiness. 10. Save your pasta water liquid gold for silky sauces. 9. Add vinegar to pie crust dough. Prevents gluten buildup and makes crusts flakier. 8. Salt your cutting board before chopping herbs. Keeps herbs in place and boosts flavor. 7. Use pickle juice as a marinade, makes chicken tender and tangy. 6. Add mayo to cake batter ultra-moist cakes with no mayo taste. 5. Toast spices before using them. Releases oils and boosts aroma. 4. Put an ice cube inside burger patties. Melts slowly and keeps burgers juicy. 3. Save every drop of bacon grease. Perfect for cooking eggs, veggies, cornbread, huge flavor boost. 2. Rest your meat. Before and after cooking improves juiciness, tenderness, and flavor. 1. Taste as you cook. Always the ultimate grandma rule. Not measuring cups, not timers, not gadgets, just intuition. Food becomes alive when you adjust flavors as you go. Salt, acidity, sweetness, richness. This is how Grandma turned simple ingredients into unforgettable meals. Once you start using these tricks, cooking becomes less about following instructions and more about creating memories. Dishes taste deeper, meals feel warmer, and suddenly people say, "This tastes like something my grandma made." That's when you know You're cooking from the heart. The real magic wasn't the tricks. It was the care behind them. Grandma cooked with intuition, patience, and love. If you bring even one of those qualities into the kitchen, every meal becomes memorable. So try a few of these tonight. See what changes. And if you want more timeless kitchen wisdom, make sure you like, subscribe, and come back for the next video. Your kitchen is about to feel like home again.